mini programmers. Welcome to another fun learning adventure with Scratch. Today, we are going to create our very first project and make a sprite move across the screen. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step number 1. Opening Scratch. First, let's open Scratch on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily find it online and download it for free. Once Scratch is open, click on Create to start a new project. Step number 2. Choosing a sprite. Now, let's choose a sprite. A sprite is like a character that will move on your screen. Click on the Choose a Sprite button, which looks like a little cat face. You can pick any sprite you like. Today, I am going to choose a cat because cats are super fun. You can see here cats are set as default when you just open the Scratch project editor. So you can just consider cat as a default sprite. But as it's our first project, so we will stay with cat. Great. Now we have our sprite ready. Let's make it move. Step number 3. Adding movement. To add movement, we need to use some blocks of code. Look on the left side and find the blue blocks under Motion. Drag the Move 10 Steps block to the middle area, which is called the scripting area or the coding block. Next, we need to tell our sprite when to start moving. Go to the yellow blocks under Events and drag the When green flag clicked block to the scripting area. Connect it to the Move 10 Steps block, just like putting together pieces of a puzzle. Good job! Now, let's make our sprite keep moving. Go to the orange blocks under Control and drag the Forever block. Put it around the Move 10 Steps block. Awesome! Now, click the green flag at the top of the stage area to see our sprite move. Look at it go! Wow! Isn't that cool? If you want to stop your sprite, just click the red stop sign. Don't forget to save your project so you can show it to your friends and family. Click on File and then Save Now. Congratulations, mini programmers! You have just created your first Scratch project and made a sprite move. Remember, you can choose different sprites and make them move in all sorts of ways. Keep experimenting and having fun.